Hi all, welcome to our channel. How to say okay in different languages in English. Okay. Now we will see okay in Telugu language.
అలాగే
Alage. Okay in Telugu language. Alage. Now we will see okay in Hindi language.
ठीक है
TK. Okay in Hindi language. TK. Now we will see okay in Spanish language.
Okay.
Okay. Okay in Spanish language. Okay. Now we will see okay in French language.
D'accord.
D'accord. Okay in French language. D'accord. Now we will see okay in German language.
ఓకే
Okay. Okay in German language. Okay. Now we will see okay in Italian language.
Okay.
Okay. Okay in Italian language. Okay. Now we will see okay in Portuguese language.
Okay.
Okay. Okay in Portuguese language. Okay. Now we will see okay in Chinese language.
好的
How the? Okay in Chinese language. How the? Now we will see okay in Arabic language.
Naam.
Now. Okay in Arabic language. Now. Now we will see okay in Russian language.
ఓకే
Okay. Okay in Russian language. Okay. Now we will see okay in Japanese language.
ఓకే
Okay. Okay in Japanese language. Okay. Now we will see okay in Korean language.
Hugging.
Hugging. Okay in Korean language. Hugging. Now we will see okay in Tamil language.
సరి
Sari. Okay in Tamil language. Sari. Now we will see okay in Urdu.
ठीक है
TK. Okay in Urdu. TK. Now we will see okay in Gujarati.
बराबर
Barabar. Okay in Gujarati. Barabar. Now we will see okay in Filipino.
ఓకే lang
Okay lang. Okay in Filipino. Okay lang. Now we will see okay in Nepali.
ठीक छ
Tingcha. Okay in Nepali. Tingcha. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.